How to connect domain name to Wix website. So in order to connect your domain name, what you can do is you can just head over to right here to your setup, and you can already see in here this connect domain option. However, if your setup has disappeared and you only have homepage, next thing you need to do is just click onto this search bar and search in here for domain. It will open up in here this my domain as well as this domains option. Click onto this right there, and then from in there you should be able to see in here the actual domain input that you can actually put right there. So this will load right here. Once it's done loading, it will preview in this right there. So just input right here the domain name that you want. For example, let's put in here general addresses. Click onto this let's go, and it will show you some suggestions. Like for example, we have .com, .net, .biz, .info, org, and likes. So you can click onto this get it right here if you want to purchase it right there. However, if you already have a domain that you already purchased, you can head over right here to your settings. And then once you're on your settings, you have the option to just input your domain based on this. Search for domain in here again. And then in here, we can see this right there. We have the site address. Click onto this. And then you can just input your existing domain based on this part and this part's right here. So that's how you connect the main name to Wix website. Hope we helped.